So I'm out here mowing today, and I just wanted to do a quick 5-day Tenacity application update. A lot of these grassy weeds are definitely already turning. You can see up close here. This was the mix of the 4-way herbicide with Quinclorac and Sulfentrazone mixed with Tenacity, and you can see even this clumping tall fescue, the tips are turning brown already. And that's great because that means the nasty, undesirable grass is starting to die off. This one looks really good. You can see the color change down in these leaf tips here, so this is definitely dying off. I think that Tenacity with the kicker is really paying off. This whole patch here, you can see it's really turning brown compared to the good grass. Now I think some of this stuff is kind of nasty back here. Probably just weedy grasses mixed in with my fescue and Kentucky bluegrass. Look at this right here. This is pretty much white. So that is definitely a good sign. I'm liking the results so far, just 4 or 5 days in. You can see my bluegrass patch here is totally unaffected. So I'm finally getting around to mowing. Things are pretty darn tall right now. I'm breaking the 1/3 rule a little bit just because I've been so busy and haven't had a lot of time to mow. And now we come to the front lawn and you can see the exact same thing. Some of it's turning brown. The color is looking really bad. I haven't put any nitrogen down here besides just that coffee grounds application, but you know, like I said, I wasn't expecting immediate results with a big green up or anything. It's more about the long term. Even compared to where I put down the Milorganite, I need a lot of nitrogen. Now, that stuff was only a 640 that I put down, which is 6% nitrogen per pound. I need something like 22, so it's going to take probably 4 or 5 fertilizer applications to get the real good green up that I want. Speaking of green up, when I was applying more Milorganite over here, there's a little bit of a bump in the lawn, and I spilled a little bit in the spreader. Look at that green right there. That's what it should look like, the entire lawn. That one little patch looks great. But yeah, this is, I don't know if this is quack grass or what, but this is the stuff I was really wanting to kill off with the Tenacity. If anybody knows what this stuff is, what this weed is, let me know. But you can see that leaf tips are yellowing out already. That was my main problem with this lawn that I really wanted to kill off. So I'm happy with these results. So anyway, that was just a quick update today. Look for more updates in the future. Please subscribe for more updates. If you got any comments, leave them below. Thanks for watching.